And we're back here at Boom and Bust. The nature of this show is continuing on with our examination of healthcare innovation. With us, we have Alexandre Le Boutillier and Diane Cote, both from Montreal. So my next question to both of you, we'll start with Alexandre, is I'd really love to know what it's like in the province of Quebec. How does the province support innovators, nurture new companies? Sometimes there's this wall, maybe it's a language wall or a cultural wall between Quebec and other provinces. Would love to know your experience in the province of Quebec with the government of Quebec. Alexandre?
So I think what's the realization in Quebec and in other provinces as well is Canada is the smallest HTA country, and we've managed to divide it in 12. So we were even smaller. And this is what we're realizing in every province, not only Quebec, is that we need to work all together to be able to be competitive on the world of conquering those diseases. So Quebec has been very supportive to start up in collaboration with the federal support. So this is what we've been putting in place. And one of the big initiatives that we have that is supported by the federal, but also provincially, is the Digital Health and Discovery Platform that is launching this month. We have almost 100 organizations across the country that support that in every province, including Quebec, Ontario, Manitoba, Vancouver, and most of the province. And if we want to succeed, it should not be provincial thinking. So that's the key message here. Quebec understands it, Ontario too, and we want all the province to rally around this cause.
Deanne, what's your perspective on this question?
I believe that the provincial governments and the federal government have been focusing on innovation for a long, long time. And they know that in terms of economic growth, that is a key success factor. Each one has built over time different tools and mechanisms to support the innovation process along the spectrum, if you want. Certainly Quebec has been at the forefront of that. We're an industry-led consortium. We're supported by the Quebec government, and we can help the financial requirements of collaborative innovation projects from the beginning of the spectrum, so as of the idea, and to help the teams walk that through up to the being available and addressable in terms of market opportunity. So there's a variety of tools and services that we have there. They're supported by the Quebec government. And with the federal government, they have also this perspective that's, you can decline it in a variety of ways, but it's really to support the leadership of industry players in Canada and to make sure that that leadership is also happening on international markets. So I think that all levels of government come together in the innovation framework to be able to leverage the different opportunities that manifest themselves as they should.
Alexandre, we've got less than a minute left. I'd love for you to expand in that time on what the Canadian government, the federal government, should be doing more of to promote innovation.
Certainly double down on artificial intelligence. We are the country where modern artificial intelligence was born, with the three co-founders of AI, including Yoshua Bengio in Montreal and Jeff Hinton in Toronto. So that's an enabling technology that have impact definitively in healthcare, but in, I would say, every industry. So if there's one key message is make sure that those industries, those AI institutes are parent institute, that they're funded, because fundamental research will follow through if it's well managed in applied research and into commercialization.